Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the problem. You need facts fast. First, inspect the key physically, clean around the keycap and press firmly a few times. Next, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and look for FN lock or function key behavior. Toggle it and save. Once done, plug an external keyboard or use the on-screen keyboard to see if FN actions respond. This tells you whether it's hardware or system level. Make notes before changing anything else. Now you address software causes. Drivers and utilities matter. Open Device Manager, update or roll back the keyboard driver and reboot. Then install or repair the manufacturer's hotkey utility. These utilities map FN combinations. Once done, check your operating system's accessibility and keyboard layout settings. Sticky keys or wrong layout can mask FN behavior. If you recently updated the OS, consider a system restore point or driver rollback. Keep a clear change log so you can undo steps if needed. Finish with deeper diagnostics before hardware replacement. Reset BIOS or UEFI to defaults and reapply any required FN settings. This clears misconfigurations. Then perform a clean boot or start in safe mode to detect third-party software conflicts. Disable startup apps and test FN. If the key still fails, document tests and contact OEM support. Persistent failures after these steps suggest a hardware fault and possible replacement. Quick troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, reseat the keyboard ribbon cable or check warranty options before DIY repairs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.